Okay, YouTube fam, I've already washed and my chicken really well. I have thighs and drumsticks. You can use whichever part of the chicken you like. I washed them really well and dried them the best I could and dried them very well. And I've already started seasoning. I put a half a teaspoon of salt and I put a tablespoon of pepper on them. Now I'm gonna put a tablespoon of Adobe all-purpose seasoning. It is just delicious on chicken, especially when you're trying to make your chicken just as delicious as you can. Hold on 1 second. I had to open my garlic powder. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of garlic powder on it. Okay. Tablespoon of onion powder. All of these seasonings are going to give the chicken such a terrific taste. I'm going to put a tablespoon of Lowry seasoning salt on there. I'm going to use the rest of this on the back. All of the seasonings that I put on the top, I'm going to flip it over and do it on the bottom, okay? And once I get through with that, I'm going to put it in the oven. My oven is already preheated for 350 degrees. I'm going to cook these for probably 45 to 50 minutes. And in between them, maybe at that 30-minute mark, I'm gonna pour some of the juices off. That way they'll be crispy. And when we come back, I'm gonna show you how they look. They're gonna be delicious. Okay, YouTube fam, the chicken is still cooking in the oven, but let me tell you, when it's finished, it's gonna be crispy and it's gonna be delicious. I'll bring you back when we get ready for our taste test. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Please, I need your support. And again, thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam, the chicken is ready. I'm finna take it out of the oven, okay? Push it up a little. Ooh, doesn't it look delicious? Doesn't it look delicious? Okay. It is crispy and it's gonna be delicious. What we're gonna do now is fix our plate and end this video. And thanks so much for watching me through the whole video. Thank you so much. Okay, YouTube fam, let's go ahead and do our taste test, okay? Besides my chicken, I also cook collards. And I'll link in the video, in the description, you know, how I make my collards. You've seen them several times. They are delicious. They are delicious. Okay. Then I also made some mac and cheese. And an addition, I'll put that in the description. I made my mac and cheese. I make it this way all the time. It is delicious. Okay. Now, the star of the show is the chicken. Okay. I've already fixed my husband and my daughter's plate. I'm gonna fix mine now. I'm gonna get me a leg and a short thigh. And don't they look delicious? Don't they look delicious? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my taste test so we can end this video. Thanks for sticking with me. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm gonna go ahead and do my taste test. Doesn't that look delicious? Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, to drink, I made my homemade lemonade. It is delicious. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and say my prayers, well, my grace. Okay, let's go ahead and do this taste test so we can end this video. Okay, for my collards, like I say, I'll put a description. I'll put a link in the description of how I made my collards. I made them several times on my channel. They always turn out delicious. And the mac and cheese is just, it's just delicious. Now today I made, I didn't make homemade macaroni and cheese. I just cooked the box macaroni and cheese. And because I was trying, I got started late fixing dinner, cooking dinner. So I just made the box mac and cheese, but it's still delicious. And I'll link in this description box how I make this to make it even, I turn it up a notch, when I do the box. It's delicious. And the chicken is so crispy and juicy. It's delicious. It's delicious. Hope everybody had a good Sunday today. Put in the comment box, below what you all cooked today. On Sundays, I always try to cook something comforting for my family. That's the way my mom did when we were growing up. So I'm doing it for my family. You don't have to. You can cook whatever you like. But on Sundays, comfort meals are just, they just make the family get together more closely. Really, they do. You saw the seasoning that I put on my chicken. The chicken is crispy and delicious. I love making oven baked chicken crispy. It's just delicious. Once I put it in the oven on 350 degrees, I let it stay for about 50 minutes. But during that time, maybe at the 30-minute mark, I turned it over so it could cook on the other side, and then maybe let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then I turned it back. By that time, the juices will almost just disappear. That's what I like. You don't have to add water or anything to your dish in the oven. That's what makes them crispy and delicious. And if you need more information on how I got my chicken crispy like it is, it's crispy and it's just delicious. please comment below, and I'll answer your comments as soon as I can. I promise. And I really appreciate all of you watching my videos. I've been cooking for over, I always say this, but I have, over 15 years. My mom taught me. Well, my grandmother taught my mom. My mom taught me. And I love to cook. Homemade lemonade. And like I said earlier, you don't have to cook thighs and drumsticks. You can cook this meal with any type of the part of the chicken that you like. The breast, the wing. It's just a good comfort meal that you and your family will just enjoy. And I also cook some thin bread cornbread. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's delicious. It is delicious. Excuse me, y'all. That's my daughter. And like I say, if you need any more information on how I cook several different things that you didn't get at in the video that you missed, always comment below. I'll answer your comments as soon as I can. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on my next video. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate that. And before I go, please look up in the left, I think it's the left corner, top corner, and you'll see another one of my videos that I did. It's very popular on YouTube. And I think that that recipe will bring joy to you and your family. It's a comfort meal and you really will enjoy it. And again, thanks for watching. Okay, YouTube fam, I really appreciate you watching my video today. Please subscribe to my channel. These are just some of the ingredients that I used today. Watch the entire video and you'll see all the ingredients that I used today in my most delicious oven baked chicken with sides. Thanks for watching.